to our series called Book Ideas, where we tell you interesting ideas from interesting books. This is your host Suhail. Today we are going to talk about a very well known lesson or very well known topic that our parents, elders used to say. There is no substitute for hard work. Yes, that's the today's lesson from the book called Habit of Winning by Mr. Prakash Iyer, and the lesson is hard work. Without further ado, today's story is about the former cricketer and commentator Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu. So he tells this story himself, and this is the story in the book. If you choose to buy the book, you can go through the story yourself. But in a gist, I will tell you here. So the story goes that Navjot Singh Sidhu's father every day used to wake him up at 5 o'clock and tell him to go for a jog and do his practice. So he would just wake up at 5 o'clock when his father would come home. Come in his room to wake him up. He would go to a different place or to a different room in the house until his father is not to be seen anymore, or his father will go out. Then he will bribe the servant to keep quiet. He will go back to different room and sleep. Then he will wake up at 7 o'clock, splash some water on his face and his shirt, and then come back and show as if he did all the jogging. Now he is very tired and sweaty. His father will say, "Well done, my son," or as it is there in the book, "Sher da putter." So he would get his father will get satisfied that okay, my son did what I asked him to do, and he will tell Navjot Singh Sidhu to go back and rest a little more. So he will just go back to the bed. And this thing kept going, and in 1983, this is there in the book. In 1983, Sidhu made his debut in Test cricket against West Indies. Alright. And he scored 20 runs. This was the high score in the whole Test series. And he stayed on the pitch for 114 minutes. In 114 minutes, he scored 20 runs. So at that point of time, the sports critic called Mr. Rajan Bala wrote an article on him and called him a strokeless wonder. So his father read this article, and after this article was published, he was let go from the Indian team as well. He was dropped out of the team, the playing 11 team. So his father came to his room next day, just left the newspaper on his bed with the article on the upside, and left. He didn't say a word, he didn't utter a word, anything. He just left it there on the bed, the newspaper, and he left. Sidhu woke up, read that article, and he stuck that article on his cupboard on the front door. So whenever he will wake up, he would see that article there. The headlines read "Strokeless Wonder." And every day after that day, whenever his father used to come to wake him up at 5 o'clock, he would see the bed is empty. He is already out there in the field, having jogged a little bit, and he is already in the nets practicing to hit sixes and boundaries, sixes and fours. And he took a target of 300 sixes in a day, and he will bribe some young kid again to keep bowling even in the night in some days when he missed his target, and to complete his target of every day of 300 sixes. So guys, that is the story. And after that, 4 years later, he was called back to the team in 1987 World Cup against Australia. He scored a total of 73 runs of 79 balls with 6 sixes, 5 sixes and 4 fours, and he went on to score 50s in his first 4 one-day innings. So all these things are in the book. I couldn't remember all of these things straight away, to be frank. That's why I'm reading it out from the book. And so this was his fruit of his hard work, right? He did all the work. He got some criticism from that sports critic of the time, and his hard work made that critic take his word back, and he wrote another article after all of these achievements of Navjot Singh Sidhu, and he said that strokeless wonder has become a palm tree hitter. This was the article that the same critic, Mr. Rajan Bala, wrote after his innings in all these one days and World Cup. Now, so this is the moral is hard work always works. It can change your critic's point of view about you, but more importantly, it can change your opinion of yourself, and it can give you huge confidence. It can give you all the things that you think you want and more. So guys, that is the story for today. That was the lesson that I had to share with you. So this all for now. This is Sohail signing off. Until next time, bye bye.